Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy.
Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Uphold's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Uphold's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in uphold.com and make a search. The official page of your Uphold's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Login. Enter your email address and password associated with your Uphold's account and tap on Next. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Uphold's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.